In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an Unreal Engine error in Windows. It's very easy to fix and there are two different methods, so try not to skip them. Okay, first method is go into search on the bottom left, type in CMD. You're going to see a command prompt here. Right click on this and say run as administrator. It's going to ask for your permission to do so. After you've done that, type in FSC/scan now, all one word, and press enter. This will take a couple of minutes to do. And after it's finished, so what this does is basically checks if there are any corrupt files on your Windows system and fixes them. Okay, this should fix the error, but if it didn't, let's move on to method number 2. So I'm going to put a URL in the video description or in the comment below. So basically, go here, and you're gonna see Tech Power of Visual C++ Redistributable Runtimes all in one. You're gonna click on download. It's free to do. You don't need to sign up. Once you've downloaded, you're gonna get a zip file similar to this. Right click on it and extract it. Once you've extracted it, it's gonna look something like this. So on the very top file, you're going to see a file called install_all.bat. Double click on this and this will basically run all of this. What this will do is make sure that all of the DLL C++ redistributable files on Windows are correct and up to date, and this will fix your problem. If this helped you, leave that video a like and please subscribe. It really helps. Thank you very much.